So in this video, we're going to see how an atmospheric river affects the actual rivers here on land in Central Oregon, in the South Willamette Valley. The atmospheric river is actually coming off the Pacific from a west to southwest angle, which is ideal. It's bringing a lot of subtropical moisture along with it, and it's been raining nonstop for 3 days. And I literally mean it has not stopped raining for 3 days. So let's go look at how it's affecting the local rivers. So yeah, it's really coming down pretty hard right now. Just heading out on Marcola Road, heading to the north. This is now undiscovered territory for me. I've never been out here. Let's see what we can find. This should give you a little idea of the rain that's coming down right now. Like I said, it's been like this for 72 hours. I don't think it stopped once. Well, there's a flooded river right there. Wow. That is really flooded. This agricultural land has effectively become a lake. It is just a brown mire, completely underwater. Here it is, the mighty Mohawk River, definitely flooding as it heads down towards the McKenzie River. Yep. I'd have to say it has surpassed bank full at this point in time. So here's the deal. Hopefully it will be at least bank full, if not at flood stage or beyond, and I'll capture some footage. I'd also like to see how the Mohawk enters the mighty McKenzie River, which then eventually will enter the even mightier Willamette River, which then enters the gigantic Columbia River, which then feeds into the Pacific Ocean. So the Mohawk River, it's not a large river, and that's probably why it's above flood stage right now. Look at that. Now that's bank full. Check that out. Woo! This is the mighty McKenzie River at flood stage. It is a brown maelstrom. It would carry you away quickly to your death. No longer the crystal clear, tranquil source of our water in Eugene, but a chocolate milkshake, one that would take you out. All right, so we've seen the McKenzie River flooding, we've seen the Mohawk River flooding. Now let's look at the big one. Let's go down to the Willamette and see how it's taken on all this volume. So here it is, the mighty Willamette River at flood stage. This is where I come in the summer, where it's normally a tranquil, clear river, and I come to paddle on my surfboard to get some exercise. No such luck today. I think I would get swept down pretty rapidly. In fact, I've never seen the water even touch the parking lot as it is right now. What do the geese have to say about all of this? It's an Oregon duck. That's the real duck, by the way. So we can see the Willamette River here at flood stage. It is taking on the volume of all the other rivers. And it looks pretty wide. I've definitely never seen it like this. I'm standing under the bridge, by the way, that holds I-5. That's why it's so noisy right here. But there you go. The mighty Willamette.